Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus IS250 oil light. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer reading is visible on the dashboard display. Next, find the trip reset button, usually located near the instrument cluster. This button is crucial for navigating the menu and confirming your selections. We'll use it to access the maintenance data. Now, with the ignition still in the on position, press the trip reset button repeatedly. You'll see different displays cycle through, such as your odometer and trip meters. Continue pressing until either trip A or trip B is displayed on the screen. Once you see one of these, turn your ignition completely off. This prepares the system for the next step in the reset process. With the ignition off, press and hold the trip reset button firmly. While still holding the button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Keep holding the trip reset button. You will see the oil light flash, and then the display will show 5 dashes or zeros, indicating the reset is complete. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Once the oil light has flashed and the display confirms the reset, you can release the trip reset button. Now, go ahead and start your Lexus IS250 engine. The oil maintenance light should remain off, confirming that the reset was successful. You've now cleared the maintenance reminder, and your vehicle's system is updated. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.